Hey, this is Camel. I'm not cloned and I'm not AI, but here's a compilation of every time I blew up my kitchen. Make sure to subscribe because I will be live soon.
Okay, the batter's looking good. I feel like this could use a little bit more mangoes, but maybe it's enough. Fuck, dude. I forgot about the bread in the oven. We gotta chop up this mushroom real fast for the dumplings. Fuck, dude, I forgot the bread in the oven. All right, so we got this Easy Bake Oven in from Wish today, literally built in the 1950s. And we're gonna try to cook this fish in there. It's not gonna fit, so we're gonna have to chop them up, but let's plug this in and see if it even turns on. Okay, the bread's looking good. I think we can take it out now. Oh, fuck. Dude, the waffles. Oh my god, dude. They overflowed. Alright, we gotta let these dough balls rise for about 15 minutes now. Oh, fuck. Yo, I forgot about the spaghetti on the stove. Fuck, dude, I forgot about the muffins in the oven. Hold on. The blender came in from Wish today, and the box is completely beat up. Like, I don't even know how they let this happen. Like, look at this thing. Look at this. Like, I bet this thing doesn't even turn on.
Yo, Camel, the fireworks, the fireworks.
Oh, fuck. I forgot the fireworks in the oven. Okay, here it goes. We made a giant pickled gummy bear. We made a Pepto-Bismol gummy bear. We're grilling the mayonnaise gummy bear for Memorial Day. Oh my god, dude. Dude, fuck, I forgot the bread in the oven. We made a giant mayonnaise gummy bear. We're pouring one out for the big beavers of the lake. New Peepo t-shirts on Peepo.cool right now.